What's up? I have updated the way that I do my edges, and I wanted to show you guys because I know people always ask me about my edges. So I'm going to show you guys my updated way. This is already being done, but it's just how I just figured it out. So I'm going to show you guys. I literally like did it the other day, and because I was like, I need like more precision here, and yeah. Anyways, okay. So you're gonna start with your gel, whatever gel you like to use, whatever you like to use for your edges. My dog is below me, so if he kicks my camera. But I like to use Eco Gel. I put it in this jar from Target. I just, you know. Okay, and then you're gonna need some kind of small brush to fit your edges and a pintail comb, something like this. They make edge brushes with the brush on it and something like this at the end, but this just works for me. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hey. You are going to, well, this is what I do. I normally get gel on my brush, start brushing my edges out from my other hair. Oh my god. Someone asked me, they're like, can you do like your edges like naturally? And I was like, what does that mean? I don't know. Okay, but so you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna sculpt them with the brush first. Okay, and I like to get a little bit more gel on here and just kind of like place it on top, because we're gonna go in with the pintail comb, and you know that doesn't have gel in it. So what we're gonna do is first shape our edges. You're gonna pull down, put your finger in the center and push up with the brush, just like that. And I always make sure to go back in and brush the parts down that don't need to be in this section. All right. Same thing. So there they are. And okay, it's because my mirror is so far away, I'm like struggling right now, but I'm gonna go back in and just dab some, what's it called, gel on my edges. And now for the fun part, we're gonna take our pintail comb and go just like this. Look at that, seamless. Ooh. Ooh. You're gonna have your finger right here because that is going to help you hold it down and make sure that it stays there. I'm gonna go fix this one because I feel like she's not giving me what I really want. Okay, let me check my phone, hold on. Like, those babies are seamless. Okay, I told you he was gonna move my camera. Like, those babies are seamless. Okay, I told you he was gonna move my camera. You don't belong there. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is happening? None of you guys belong here. Okay, let's, all right. Bring her in the middle and pulling it up slightly. I don't know why, it's so much harder for me to do my edges when my hair is down. Okay, I went and put my hair up because I couldn't do it with my hair down. I don't know why, it's just so much harder for me to do with my hair down. I don't really have an edge right here. Some gel on all of these babies and swoop, swoop. Right. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, they just look so, you know. Hold on. Let me get the hair down to show you guys. Okay, and there you have it. You have perfect edges. And that is a secret that I just now learned. I never understood the point of like the comb part at the end of like an edge brush, but now I do. And I'll be doing that from now on to perfect my edges. So yeah, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching.